This is a very quick explanation for how we send markers from Vizard to COBI. First of all, the computers have to be on the same network. Currently, it's actually the same computer running both Vizard and COBI. This is the code. There is this initial set of instructions that have to take place, and from then on, to send markers, that's the command. And here is the ASCII code that we're sending. This corresponds to number 47. So if we look at the ASCII code table here, 47 is this. So we can change to this one. It will be 48 if it's a 0. Okay, so here we have Vizard. The first, and the order of these steps is critical. First, we have to start up COBI software. Now, I'm not connected to a device right now, and that's fine because I can actually use a playback mode. So my data source will be a virtual device, or I can use a file that's already recorded, but I'm using a virtual device. And I have to make sure that marker sources from the network are enabled. So once we are at this point, we go to Vizard over here and we fire up the script. So let's go back to COBI and we can begin the experiment. Right now we're doing the step where we're checking data quality. Already we can see if we press spacebar in Vizard that the markers are coming in and it's 47 as intended. Okay. So from here on, it's just a matter of starting the experiment and sending your markers. We are now already assured that the markers are coming in. And that's it. So we'll quit out of this and quit out of this as well, and we are done.